I've been in Mexico for the past 5 months. Now I was in the town of Bacalar in the southeast part of the Yucatan Peninsula. Hello and welcome to another day here in Bacalar. I'm staying here in Airbnb now that you might know. So I moved to a new place. The other day I was staying right by the lake, but now I'm here a few minutes from the lake. It's really nice. Today I think I'm gonna try to go on a boat trip. I've been in the town of Bacalar for a bit, now staying just about 3 minutes from the lake in an Airbnb rental. I'm out here on the road now and I'm gonna try to buy some water first and then get some more information about this boat trip. It's supposed to cost only 250 pesos, so like 12 US dollars. So excited for this boat trip, perfect. It's really cheap, only 250 pesos. I think this is the cheapest place I've been in Mexico actually. I bought some food the other day and it cost only 45 pesos, like barely $2. I bought 2 bags of pasta and some milk for 34 pesos. About $1.50, so I don't get tired on my boat trip. Little apartment, Airbnb. Got my small little room. I paid only $10 per night for. I went back and ate some pasta, and now it's time. It's time. I had come to one of many docks in Bacalar and I was about to go out for a boat trip, but the boat was fully booked, so I had to go in the back of somebody's scooter to go to another dock. And apparently the other boat was full somehow. So now I'm here and it's gonna be really nice to head out on the lake. Now we were on our way out to the lake and the first stop was a really deep hole within the lake. It's unclear why there are so many deep swimming holes with super clear water in Mexico. Here we have some really expensive and nice houses right by the lake. We were gonna go one lap around the lake and then into another lake, across a little canal. This trip made me think of my dream of one day having a sailboat and sailing around to all the islands in the Caribbean. We had made it further down the lake and saw some more really cool and deep areas of the lake. We've been going for a while and now you can see no more houses here on the sides. Now it's just the lake. Here we have the famous canal that goes from this lake and into another lake. We had come to the canal that connects the 2 lakes. It's possible to go through the canal and into the other lake. Tourists come here to enjoy the super clean water and the amazing scenery. I think one of the best ways to see Bacalar is by going on a boat trip, because then you will see the whole lake. In this area you can also enjoy really cool snorkeling, because the water is so clean. It's really worth it to pay 250 pesos for this type of boat trip, which is only about 12 US dollars. We came back from the trip, really nice trip. it. I came back from the boat trip. It was really nice actually. I'm really happy I went on the trip. Now I'm gonna go back and eat some more pasta and drink some milk probably. And then maybe go for a run. Walking through the park again, and I think I'm actually gonna eat at the restaurant instead. It's so cheap. It's almost cheaper to eat at the restaurant than making your own food. Really nice food here, really tasty. Hello! Now I'm on the road. I'm gonna go and do a little sprint workout at the track over here. Hopefully I can find the track. The sun is shining and it's frying, perfect frying on the skin. Very nice. I think the track should be here actually, around the corner. Here we have the track, pretty nice. I think running is the absolute best way to get in shape if you want to get slim, because you don't only burn fat when you run, you also tone your muscles, because you have to work out pretty much your whole body, you know. It's a perfect way to get in shape, running. I'm gonna jog a couple of laps and then do a few 150-meter sprints. I did 4 sprints. I'm gonna do 2 more and then some pull-ups here. I'm done with the workout. Really good workout. Feel pretty good. It's a really good workout, as I said, for your whole body. Now a little bit more ripped after the pull-ups also. It's really good to eat lots of carbs, because then you're gonna look full on your muscles. If you don't eat carbs and don't drink enough water, then you're just gonna look deflated. But if you eat a lot of carbs, then your muscles are gonna fill up with fluid and you're gonna look bigger than what you actually are. A few weeks ago I was eating a bunch of chips and Coke and eating like shit, and I immediately saw that I became smaller. And then I didn't actually work out so much more. I just started eating lots of pasta and beans and drinking a lot of water. And now I am in decent shape again. A lot of people say that you should not eat carbs and that you should stay away from carbs. I think that's totally wrong. Only time, if you want to stay away from carbs, that's when you're gonna look like you're really deflated, like a balloon that has no air. That's the same concept. If you don't eat carbs, then you're gonna look like a balloon that has no air. It's so nice here in Mexico. I'm on my way down to the lake. So many flowers and birds and green bushes everywhere. It's so nice. A bunch of fruits growing. Here we have bananas. This is where I buy water right here. I'm so thirsty, I need to buy water. Time to swim. One of my favorite things in life is to go swimming in lakes and swimming pools. Very nice. I was swimming, it was really nice. Really nice. Walking back from the lake, and this will be the end of this video. But thank you very much for watching it. Please leave it a thumbs up and post a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.